In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge Bonecrusher in old school RuneScape. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing and using a Bonecrusher in old school RuneScape is extremely simple. After you acquire your Bonecrusher as a reward from the hard Mauritania diary, you will be able to use it and charge it. So the Bonecrusher must be charged with Acto tokens to function. Each Acto token will make it gain 25 charges, and 1 charge is used per bone crushed. The limit is an absurd number that you will probably never reach, but if you are curious, it is going to be 2 billion. So, just a fun fact. So, a good method to obtain consistent charges is to offer the free bone meal and buckets of slimes from Robin that are given daily as part of the Mauritania Diary rewards. Actually, charging it, like I said, is nothing special. You just need to use your Acto tokens. So, they are going to be the currency used in Port Phasmitas. And in addition to being used to enter the town, you will be able, like I said, to charge them. There are other methods out there, but essentially all that you have to do is charge it using the Acto tokens where it gains 25 charges per thing used. So it is unknown how many charges you will be able to get per hours. However, it only takes 200 bones at Actofantas to get 1,000 tokens, which is worth 25,000 charges on the Bonecrusher, and that should last you enough. So that's the usual way that people select to charge their Bonecrusher, and as long as you do the daily bones to bone meal with Robin and the Mori Diaries ones, you will be able to have it charged and use it properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge Bonecrusher in OSRS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.